Good evening, everyone. Good evening, all of you. So, we are on the good evening, very good evening to all of you. And you are on the fifth session of analytical reasoning skills. I am Dr. Subhashri doing this session for you. We have been discussing about various reasoning and the various combinations of different sequences, what will come next, how to form these sequences, how are we identifying the next in the sequence, what is missing in the middle, all combinations of images. We were discussing about the different combinations of images with different shapes, combinations of shapes, etc. And we were also looking at sequencing using the numerals and the alphabets, combination of alphabets, everything. Today we are going to see a combination, a similar combination which will represent a word, and you have to find out in a different if you're asked to do some other word using the similar one which you have used, where you will link every letter with another letter, or you will link every letter with another alphabet itself. There will be some alphabets, there will be one word, it will have an equivalent numerals, or it will be converted into another word in a different format, and you will be asked to find out if you are going to change this, or if you are going to derive some other word from whatever you have used. You will be forming that word based on the sample you have given. For example, how many of you attended yesterday's session? Can I see thumbs up, please? How many of you attended yesterday's session? Good. I'm seeing a good number. Yes. How many of you attended? So, I understand that you did not, you could not do the polls which I gave you. The link was not working for you, right? Is it not? Is it not? Yes. So, I will give you the same link maybe after some time. Now we will just go through some of the examples in the combination, word combination equivalent to another word, and during the maybe after two or three examples, I will give you the polls, because let us see how many more are joining now. And if you want your friends also to join, please ring them up and ask them to join here. And in the meantime, let us go through some of the examples which we were discussing about. I'll give you the poll link again, and you will be asked to do the poll now. This example, if you actually see, in a given code, sister, SISTER, is coded as 535301, meaning, is the Excel visible to you? Is my screen visible to you? Is my screen visible? Okay, you all can hear me, and you all can see my screen also. So, this sister, I am going to see what is meant by this coding. Yes, I, S, P, P, E, E, R. So this sister is been coded as 535301. 535301. 1. This is what he is meaning. They have coded sister as doubt on this. I don't think you will have any doubts, right? This particular example says in a given code, sister is coded as 535301 and uncle as 84670. He has coded uncle as U N C L E, uncle as 84670. 84670. Now, what he wants, and boy as 129. They have also coded BOY, sorry, BOY as 129. Now they are asking us to code RUSTIC, rustic. How is rustic written in the code? In a given code, sister is coded as 535301, uncle as 84670, and boy as 129. How is rustic written in the code? You have to find out where one of the options, whether it is falling under one of these options. I want to know how this code is done. Rustic is what we are supposed to find out. I want to know what is meant by R. Is there any R in this? Yes. So R is nothing but 1. Now U is the next one. U is 8. Yes, I want to find out S. S is 5 here. So I am mapping S with 5. T. Do I have T? Yes, I have here. T is 3. I again. I is 3. And C, where do I have C? I have C here. C is equal to 6. Now, rustic is to be coded as 185336. I want to find out whether this is available in the answer. That 185336. 185336, which is the B. Answer is, so answer is B. Any doubt? Any doubt on this? If you understood, give me a thumbs up. All of you. Good. So if you are given some code, you can identify the pattern in which it is formed. You can identify the mapping of each of the words, each of the letters, each of the characters, and you can find out your own pattern or your own word matching that pattern. Right? Yes. Now we will see the next one, next option. Okay. Next example. A certain coding system. See, it's not always you can map every character with a number. You can also map one character with another character. Now, mother is coded as PQWJHT. How will you code sister? Now I am going back here. Is there any hint here? Do you have a hint here? Mother is coded as something. PQWJHT. Do you have any hint here? Could you find out a hint? What is that hint? I will just put it here again. M O T H E R. This is over. Mother is over. Sorry. Rustic is over. This is the second one. Mother is coded as PQWJHT. PQWJHT. This is the word. Internally, this means the program will understand this as mother. As you are writing your password, encryption of the password. These are all encrypting techniques. You are not directly giving mother. Instead, you are giving the encrypted word for the mother. This is the encryption. Now I know M is treated as P, O is treated as Q, T is treated as W, H is treated as J, E is treated as H, and R is treated as T inside. Now, what is he saying? I have to find out, or we have to find out, how will sister be called here? Sister is equal to A or B or C or D. Now I will take sister. Yes, I, sorry, S, I, S, T, E, R. Any guess? Now I want you to guess. Very good. Two gaps. Good. Satish is right. Excellent. 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 Somebody has already given the answer. C. Yes. There is a two gap. M, N, O, P. O, P, Q, R. Correct? So the next one is C. Somebody has already given the answer. Next one is, can you find out? Somebody has already given. If you actually, yes, T, U, V. And O, P, Q, right? I, J, K. T is M, N, S. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, S, Q, S, T, U, V, W. T, U, V, W. T, U, V, W. Yes? T, U, V. Again, I will get V. Correct? Yes. Then H. I'm taking H here. H, I, J. There is one I in between H and J. So I need to have T, U, V again here. Is it not? T, U, V. There is one between T and V. Next one is E. E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. So in between E and H, there are two letters. So similarly, in between these two, there should be two letters. E, F, G, H. Then R. R, S, T. R, S, T. R, S, T. So C is the right word. V, K, V, V, H, T. Somebody has already given the right answer. I think all of you understood, right? Can you give a thumbs up? Somewhere or the other, you need to identify the pattern in which the word, the example word is formed. based on the same pattern, you will try to combine, or you will try to encrypt. You are actually, in this case, you are encrypting sister as this. This is your own encryption method. In the databases, when people are giving very key information, critical information, this is what you are supposed to do. You cannot store them as it is. What you will do, you will encrypt them, convert it into a form which cannot be hacked by others. Even if they hack, they cannot make sense. If somebody is hacking this particular item, they will come to note that VKVVHT, and they will not be able to identify this is equal to sister, because you had your own way of representing sister in this format. Understood? Trust you all understood, correct? You all understood, right? I want more thumbs up, or I will repeat. If I see one thumbs down also, I will repeat this. I say one thumbs down, somebody who did not understand, I will repeat this for you. There is one thumbs down. I will now repeat this. You are representing, there is, the question says, mother is encrypted like this. You are storing information, okay? Relationship. There is a field called relationship. This relationship is mother. When you are storing this in the database, you are not storing it as mother. Instead, you are storing it as PQWJHT. Similarly, they want you to think how sister can be encrypted. You have to use the same technique. For me to use the same technique, I want to know how each one of the characters are converted. M, I will just write A to Z. I have A to Z here on the top. I don't want to write it again. Now, between M and P, where is M? M is here and P is here. There are two characters in between. Between this and this, there are two characters, M and P. So, between these two characters, which are of similar, no, this is also 6 characters and this is also 6 characters. I want to have between S and next one, because I don't know this. I have to find out what will be sister. Now S and another number, another character, I need to have two as I have between M and P. Now S and V, if you actually see S and V, there are two characters. So this should be V. Similarly, the second one I am checking. O and Q. I have O here and Q here. How many characters? One character. So they have what they have done is one left the second one, and then third one is taken. They have left the second one and they have considered Q. Now similarly, between and I and this number, I need to have one in the middle. So I don't want this and I am taking this. This is K. Now your doubt is cleared? Somebody who put the thumbs up, thumbs down? Is it thumbs up now? All thumbs up? All thumbs up now. Similarly, I am finding out T and W. I have, where is T? T and W. T is converted to W. I have to convert this S to next one. So T, between T and W, there are two characters. So I am checking S here. Between S and the other number, I need to have two. So I am leaving two, and the fourth one is this. So I am taking V here. Similarly, next T, this fourth one, H and J, there is one. So in this, between T and V, there is one. So I am taking again V. E and H, between E and H, there is two. This is also E. So same H will come here. R and T. So here also R. So I am taking the same T. Because between R and T, whatever is there, it is going to be the same here. So sister is now converted to VKVVHT in our system. Do we have that option here? Yes, VKVVHT we have. Right? Now, let us do the poll which we did yesterday, okay? Which you missed to do yesterday. I'll give you the link on the chat. You will quickly do this. I will give you 10 minutes. Click on this. Pictures are also there on the same. I want you to click and do this. I'm giving you 10 minutes. Now it is 6:22. 6:32 we will continue. Any problem in accessing the link? Not opening. Still not opening. I can. I not opening. Fine. I will check and get back now. Okay. We will continue with our session now. Okay. Next one. Let us try this. Okay. In a certain coding system, price is coded as SVNIL. I will put it in the form. I want you to put it on the chat that what should be, how you should code cost. Okay, price is SVNIL. I will do PRICE SVNIL. You need to tell me what is cost. COST. You can check this. ABCD is here. You have to map and put it on the chat. Yes. Price is SVNIL. What is cost? P is converted as yes. P is converted as yes. P is yes. So there is 2 in between. So C, after C you should have 2 in between. So I am saying F. Similarly, you have to find out. R is here and V is here. How many are there in between? There are 3 characters here. So O 3 after is S. You have to tell me what is S. What is ST? Anybody has written that? Yes, SCZ. Very good. Trying. Very good. All of you are trying. S is I is N. I is 1, 2, 3, 4. So S 1, 2, 3, 4. X. C is I. C is I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in between. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Z. How many of you got it right? Let me see. Very good. S is X. Very good. Very good. How many of you got it? Yes. I will explain. Yes. This, yes. Okay. This yes is the third character. I want to see the third character. Third is I, right? I. You can see I here. And I want to convert it to, they have converted it to N. After I is converted to N. So how many are in between? I want to check. I 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, N comes. So this I after N, there are 4 in the middle. They have left all the 4 and converted that I to N. So similarly, I have S here. Yes, after S, I have to leave 4 characters, and then the 5th character I have to fill here, map here with S. After S, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am leaving 4. Now taking X. So S is converted to X. Understood? Riyash Khan. Did you understand? Yes. Yes. Okay. Very good, Riyash. So now again, and you have to understand one thing. This is 6 letters and this is okay. This is 6 letters and this is also 6 letters. It need not be the same. It can also have different combinations. This need not be the same as this, but this cannot be lesser than this. If I have only PRI, I can only convert the first 3 characters. I cannot convert the 4th character. So this cannot be less. This cannot be more than the question. I should always have more characters here than this. This is one rule. Now, I will. We will go to the next problem. Okay. We will do the next class. This we will take. If centurion is coded as Centurion. Centurion. Centurion is coded as 325 791 465. Centurion is coded as this. What else he is saying? And rank as 18510. R A N K is 18510. 18510. What will the figure 78510 represent? 78510. What will be the representation of this? Centurion is coded as this, rank is coded as this, and what will be the value equivalent of 78510? When I see this, I want to know what is 7. Is there any 7 anywhere? I have it here. So I am saying T. Is there 8 somewhere? Yes, I have 8 here. So I am saying A. Do I have 5? Yes, I have 5. I have 2, 3 5s. All are N. Do I have 1 somewhere? I have 1 anywhere. I want to see. There are 1 here. 1, where is 1? 1 is here. 1 is here. And 1 is also here. So I have already got, when I have the same number repeated again and again, I have R1 is equal to R here, I have 1 is equal to R here, and when I came here, this R is replaced with K. I had R is equal to 1. Here I have I is equal to 4. I have O is equal to 6 here. N is equal to 5 here. I am coming here. R is equal to 1. A is equal to 8. N is equal to 5. And K is, now R is replaced with K for 1. The last letter, the last character we need to take here. When you are converting something like this, and the same number is getting repeated, I will take the last character, because till here R is equal to 1. Here R is equal to 1. I know that R is equal to 1 here. And when I came to this position, I know again R is equal to 1. So there is no change in the value at all. But when I read this particular character, now R is replaced with K. You would have seen in your program, in some programs, let R is equal to 0. Then you will say R is equal to R plus 1. Correct? R is equal to R plus 1. This program code you have seen, right? Let r is equal to 0, integer, or integer, it is an integer, sorry. How many of you have seen this? If you have seen such code, say thumbs up, give a thumbs up. Seeing only few hands, right? So let integer is integer r, and r is equal to 0, r is equal to r plus 1, r is equal to, then what happens? I have a set of code here. I have a set of code, okay? Again I have a set of code. Now I am closing the bracket. Then I am saying r is equal to 2. So when I am here, at this point, my value of r is 0. At this point, I have incremented r with 1. And after this program is executed, this part is executed, I am changing the value of r to 2. This is what happened here. Initially r was 1, again r was 1. When it was executing this, k was 1. So this 1 is equal to k now. Anyway, 0 has no value. I don't want to consider this. So the answer is tank. Most of you have given the answer. Very good. Excellent. Very good. So I am not taking that. I can also reject this. I can also eliminate this. This is also called as elimination. While you are coding, you can also do elimination. Got it? Very good. You can also call it 10. You may even say that this is 10. That's also right. But this, in this case, the elimination rule is used. Usually when they are mapping, they will only do from 0 to 9. They will not consider 2-digit number at all, because this is one single cell. They will not consider 2-digit number. Okay. You want me to repeat the whole thing, Arun? Now this is 1 and this is 0. Sorry, 1, this is 0. I will take 1 and this is 0. The centurion is coded as 325791465, and the rank is coded as 18510. 0 is a null digit which is added to confuse. If you want to hack this particular one, you will get confused with the 0 always. So they want to confuse the user or hacker by giving a wrong set of digits. And once again, they are asking you to find out what will be the equivalent of 78510. So I didn't have a problem till 785. I had problem only when it came to this. So what happened was, tank, when I took tank, it was TAN I have finished. Now I want to see what is the equivalent of 1 here? R is equal to 1. I want to find out. This is how t is equal to 7 came from here. T is equal to 7 here. A is 8. A is from here. N is 5. N is 5. N is 5. Wherever I had N was 5. But when it came to K, I had this problem. R1, R1, K1. So you would have seen programs like this, integer R. Let R is equal to 0, then R is equal to R plus 1. You are incrementing it and you are executing a loop here, a set of programs. Then at one stage you are resetting R's value as 2. So in such cases, when it was R1, this is R is equal to 1. Here it is K is equal to 1. They have taken the K is equal to 1. This is R is equal to 1. Here they said K is equal to 1 now. I am taking this as K is equal to 1. Doubt? Arun understood? Understood, Arun? Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. So what did we do? We wanted to encrypt a specific character because I feel that information is to be stored very securely. I don't want the information to be revealed to the hackers or somebody without in in some places it is possible that by mistake they will get into the system. By mistake, with some access rights, they will get into our system. So such people, what happens is we should not allow them to read our own data. We should not allow them to hack our data, unnecessarily use our data. In such cases, we use such techniques to encrypt our own information and keep it and put it into the database, insert into the database. These techniques are mainly used to encrypt the secured information. Any doubts? All of you got it? Can I have more thumbs up, please? Good. Good. So, all of you got it? Got it right? Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks, all of you, and good day to you. Bye.